Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070570 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now how do we run the Windows Update Troubleshooter? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to perform a disk cleanup to delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Now, how do we do this? Search for disk cleanup, open disk cleanup, select C drive or any of your system drive, select OK, click on cleanup system files, and then click on OK and wait. In the scanning process, you'll notice something called as Windows Update Cleanup. Now it's already done, it happened quick. And once this is done, the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders will be cleared, and it will be as good as the command prompt method to delete them. The next solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.